At this session, there were many commissions on the Russian opposition, and we, the Chechen National Liberation Movement United Force, would like to express our position. There must definitely be an alternative to the Putin regime in Russia, but any new government will become similar to Putin until it recognizes the main crime of his regime. It is the occupation of Chechnya, an edification to other neighboring peoples who strive to pursue an independent policy. An example of this is the occupation of Ukraine. Tomorrow there may be other neighboring countries. And just like the question whose Crimea determines the attitude of Putin's aggression against Ukraine, another question should be asked in international European institution that determines the attitude to the essence of Putin's autocracy. Is Chechnya part of Russia or an independent nation? And we call on the parliaments of European countries to follow the example of the Ukrainian parliament to recognize Chechnya as an occupied country. But first of all, such a statement must be made by the leaders of the Russian opposition. For us, this will be a measure of the sincere intention of the opposition to break the authoritarian regime of Russia. There are thousands of Chechens in Russian prisons, innocent victims of the Putin regime, whose names are not even known to the world community. Chechens do not need the compassion of Russian liberals within the framework of criminal Russia. We are defending our sovereign right to state independence. Thank you.